Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Sultan, and today I want to tell about the story The Old Man and the Sea. The story begins with the old man Santiago that lives in a small fishing village in Cuba and fishing all alone. The last time he spent 84 days at the sea, but didn't catch anything. The young boy manually and fished with him, but his parents decided that Santiago was unlucky and told their son to go to the sea on another boat. First, Santiago catches a small tuna, but he hopes that there is a big fish near the school of tunas that likes his sardines. Soon, the old man notices a slight trembling of the flexible green rod, which replaces his fishing rod. The line goes down, and the old man notices that feeling is in the enormous weight of the fishing that has bitten. An old man enters the cove in his hut in the depths of night. For a moment, the old man turns around and sees behind the string of his wallet a huge tail of the fish.